Hey guys, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get these off very easily. So on the IQ series and the Ion, let me get some. So this is an AI. This is a AI as well, a little bit different model, but same principle. What we got here is this is an Ion series. So they're all the same. The brushes are different between the AI, IQ. So the IQ and the AI have the same. The Ion is different. But the removal process is the same, except for with the AI and the IQ, if you leave them on there long enough, they are a pain to get off. They literally pop on and pop off. Now, when they're a pain, like this one is, set that robot in there. We're going to break out our trusty Torx bit set, link in the description below. I'm going to grab our T8 and we're going to remove the nut. Now, some people do this already and lose this. You have a screw and a spring-loaded set. When you get that out, pop that piece off. A lot of people throw that away and lose it. It's a tiny piece of metal, but you have to have it in order to put a spinner brush back on. Reinstallation of this piece is simple. Whoops, don't drop it like I just did. Focus the camera a little bit better. It's over for y'all. There we go. You literally just slide that on. You'll feel it when it's on there right. There we go. Reinstall our nut. Our bolt, but our screw. So we're reinstalling the clip and the screw. Take your new brush, clip it on, and there you have it. Nice and secure. If you need this part, message me. I don't keep them in stock very often. They go out pretty fast, to be honest. And it also requires me losing an entire part just to get y'all one of these. So just be aware, they're not cheap, but they are available if you need them. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below. And as always, the tools used in this demonstration are in the description as well, and subscribe for more videos like this.